Okay, hello. Welcome to day 8 of learning Python from chatgpt, and let's get started. Please give me lesson 8, day 8 of lesson 8 of Python, with you acting as my private tutor. I actually don't know what to expect to get today, but let's see. Functions, okay. I think I know how to do functions already, so this should be a breeze. Let's have some ways to use the functions, reusable blocks of code, define and call functions, parameters, return values, and concept of scope. So define a function, def keyword followed by the function name parenthesis and then colon. Inside the function you can write the code. It should be executed when the function is called. So okay, great, yeah, pretty simple. Take parameters. Okay, so we're introduced here to also f strings to print. Okay, return values, yeah. Yep. Okay, scope. X equals 10. Yeah, okay. So, greet, add 3 and 5, print result. Yeah, okay. Basic function. Let's get started. Okay, so yesterday's video was cut short for some reason because OBS just shut down, but that was yesterday's code. And now let's add day 8. Oops. Oops. Day 8. Okay. So first lesson. No, first assignment rather. And we'll put this here. Okay. Now let's so we do def display message print and so display. So first one done. Okay, so what do you write function name for book title? So def exception parameter, and then oh yeah, it was the f thing, wasn't it? F one of my favorite books is title. There we go. Square number. Okay. Okay, so we just times number by number, and then we call it. Let's say square 10. Okay, now on to the next one. Reference. I'm just going to read it when I'm ready. So def describe pet animal type pet name. Accepts 2 parameters and prints a message like print f I have an animal type named pet name. Okay, the final one. So right function then calculates sum that calculates the sum of two numbers. Def calculate sum A and B. So print A plus B. Oh, I don't think we're trying this one. Demonstrate the variable A and B here. Put them outside the function. This will result in an error. Okay. So calculate sum. I just checked that this all works at 10, 5. Now we'll run this. Yep, all compiled. So now if we try and do A equals 6, we'll get an error. We should get an error. What? Oh, okay. So what example do it? Oh, print. Okay. I was gonna say because in Python you don't need types. Print A. Yep. Okay. So that demonstrates scope. Scope. There we go. Pretty easy today. So we'll commit this. Add day 8. Okay. So thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.